In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Google Sheets. Adding images to a spreadsheet is a great way to make your data more visual and easier to understand. You might use images for product photos, logos, icons, or even quick visual references next to your text and numbers. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to place an image directly inside a cell so it moves and sorts with your data. First, open your Google Sheet and decide exactly where you want the image to go. Click once on the cell where you want the image to appear. You should see a blue outline around that cell, which means it's selected. Choosing the right cell up front helps keep your spreadsheet organized, especially if you're adding multiple images. Next, look at the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click on Insert, then move your mouse down to Image, and from the options that appear, choose Image in Cell. It's important to pick Image in Cell rather than Image over Cells, because in cell makes the image behave like regular cell content. That way, if you sort or filter your data, the image stays attached to that specific row. Once you've selected Image in Cell, a window will pop up asking you to choose where your image is coming from. You have several options here. You can upload an image from your computer if you already have it saved locally. You can use your camera to take a quick snapshot, which is useful for things like receipts or handwritten notes. You can also pull images directly from your Google Drive or Google Photos, which is convenient if you store your files in the cloud. Finally, you can search the web using Google Images right inside that window, which can save you time if you don't already have a file downloaded. After you've chosen the source, either select the image file you want or complete your search and pick the image from the results. Then click the Insert button. Google Sheets will place the image inside the cell you selected earlier. By default, the image automatically resizes to fit the cell. If the image looks too small or you want it larger, you don't resize the image itself. Instead, adjust the row height or column width. You can do this by hovering your mouse over the line between column letters or row numbers until the cursor changes, then clicking and dragging to make the cell bigger or smaller. As you resize the cell, the image will scale to fit. And that's all you need to insert images neatly into your Google Sheets.